This last one should be close to 95, 96,000 PSI. And yeah, let's see what we get. 47, 44. Woo!